How to check screen time on Samsung Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look up to a quick tutorial on how we can check our screen time on a Samsung Android phone. So without any further delay, let's get started. But before getting started, I want you to hit the like, share and subscribe option. So in order to check our screen time on a Samsung phone, what you can do is just go to the main settings of the device. After going to your settings, you just need to scroll down a bit until you get to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So here, just tap on that option, and here you should be able to see the screen time. So here you can see my screen time right now, and you can also see your screen time just by following this simple step. Go to your settings and look up the Digital Wellbeing, and you should be able to see your screen time there. You can see how much which app has taken my screen time. Here you may also set up your screen time goal if you want, and set up timer as well, and use different kind of modes in order to control your screen time on your device. So therefore, in this way, you can check your screen time on Samsung Android phone by following the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.